My name is Sandra from DIVERY, and today I'd like to show you how to use the cash office. You have two options to go to the cash office, either here or directly here. So let's dive into it. Imagine a guest staying in front of you and bought something from your shop. For example, this nice jacket. There you can see immediately how many you still have on stock and how many you sold. So in this example, 1. And then we say, okay, he or she gets a special discount for it. And by clicking on the item, you can give here a discount and it appears directly. And you can say, this is a special deal for this special guest. And save it. You always have to save everything. So the discount appears already here. Then we say, okay, the guest wants to do also a snorkeling trip, let's say with 2 persons. Again, okay, and then it appears also here. And bought also some fries and pancakes. So always by clicking on item, you can see the different kind of categories which have been put before in the resources. When the guest finishes shopping, you click on pay. And then, for example, he has only 50 euros. So you type in here 50, go on euros. And then you say, okay, I have another $100. Clicking again on US dollars, this appears also here. This was all in cash, that's why this is marked. And then we say, okay, the rest will be done with credit card. So we click on here and then pay bill. We give this guest also a name, Tim Guest. And then, are you sure? Yes. And now DIVERY is creating the invoice for the guest. Again, with your logo. Also here, the name of the guest. And also here you can see again the percentage which have been given to for the BCD. And here, why it have been given. So then you have created already the invoice for the guests and also with the different kind of taxes. You can either print now this invoice here or send it by mail direct to the guest, which saves a lot of paper. I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos will follow up you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, or you can have a look also on our social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.